Well, SeYmOuR, I made it, despite your directions.
Wow, Superintendent Tom is welcome. I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable luncheon.
All right.
Oh, you guys! My roast is ruined! But what if I were to purchase fast food and disguise it as my own cooking? Oh, delightfully devilish, SeYmOuR.
What?
Superintendent, I was just stretching my calves on the windowsill. Isometric exercise. Care to join me?
Why is there smoke coming out of your oven, SeYmOuR?
Oh, that isn't smoke. It's steam. Steam from the steamed clams we're having. Steamed clams.
Woo.
Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburgers.
All right, well, we're having steamed clams.
No, I said steamed hams. That's what I call hamburgers.
You call hamburgers steamed hams?
Yes, it's a regional dialect.
All right. What region?
Upstate New York.
Really? Well, I'm from Utica, but I never heard anyone use the phrase steamed hams.
Well, not in Utica, no, it's an Albany expression.
Oh, I see. You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones that have at Krusty Burger.
No, Brat and Skinner burgers, old family recipe.
4 steamed hams.
Yes.
Yes, and you call them steamed hams, despite the fact they are obviously grilled.
You know, one thing excuse me for 1 second.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, that was wonderful. Good time was had by all. I'm pooped.
Yes, I said, good Lord, what is happening in there?
Aurora Borealis.
Aurora Borealis. At this time of year, at this time of day, in this part of the country, localized entirely within your kitchen.
Yes.
Now, shoot?
No.
SeYmOuR, the house is on fire!
No, Mother, it's just the Northern Lights.
Well, SeYmOuR, you are an odd fellow, but I must say, you seem a good one.